Okay guys, let's talk about what's going on right now. We're out here driving and we're talking about dealing with a cloverleaf turn. We have these warning signs and we have a regulatory sign. So the yield becomes the stop when there's traffic. So you see me looking and there are cars coming. So you're waiting for a gap. And when there's a gap's the space. Here's my gap. I go to the nearest lane and then I turn on my left turn signal, mirror, turn signal, blind spot. This is general driving. You want to keep space between you and other vehicles. How can this benefit you? You as a beginning driver, you want to understand that you need to keep space. Space will give you time. If you see the white car to the left, they're tailgating that silver car. I'm going to go ahead and make a lane change to the left, mirror, turn signal, blind spot, 3 blinks, I'm in the lane. Maintaining really good speed, taking my time. It's really important that you keep space around you, ahead of you, and you need to drive very smooth. You don't want to be behind this person carrying these small boats because that can fall out. You want to keep room. The biggest common offense you'll see is no blinker, so you want to keep space. You always want to look around and aim high. When you aim high, you're looking ahead. I'm looking past the black van, I'm looking through the window, I'm looking ahead at the next traffic light. That will give you time to make a safe decision. You can also look at the countdown timer, that's at 15 now. Speed control is pretty good. Also, how do you keep your car straight? You look ahead, you aim high. If you use your mirrors, that'll cause you to drift to the left or drift to the right. So I'm maintaining pretty good speed control right now, and I'm taking my time. They are going to be making a lane change, so I want to get out of their blind spot. So that's a teachable moment. Don't stay in other cars' blind spots. Always keep space. So here's another gap. I have a choice. Do I stay behind this truck or do I move ahead? If he can't see me in the mirror, now I'm in his blind spot. He can't see me, but I want to continue moving to stay out of other cars' blind spots. Use that information to help you understand what you're supposed to do. Let's look at the flow of the traffic. We're about at 50 miles an hour. We're keeping our space. Try not to tailgate other cars. This is a dangerous maneuver. And if you tailgate someone and rear end them, you could be at fault. It varies from state to state, province to province. Scanning the intersection, looks pretty good. But now I see a hazard up there to my right. Looks like they're carrying a mattress or something else, I'm not sure. See how the car just cut over in front of me? That's unexpected. You want to be careful with that. Always be aware. And then what goes around comes around. So I'm just taking my time. I don't know what's going on up here, but I'm gonna keep my space. I'm looking ahead, down the road, up the hill. Got a green light. Maintain a good speed control. I see them getting over. Try not to make lane changes. This is at the point of no return. I did not want to slam my brakes, so I proceeded through with caution. I have to get over to the right, mirror, turn signal, blind spot, signal early, signal often, so you don't have to make sudden maneuvers. We're going to be getting on expressway, so this is a chance for you to see a really challenging expressway merge. So I want you to look at this, and we're going to keep moving forward. So I want to turn on my right turn signal, and I'm squeezing my brakes some. I want to go into this ramp slowly and smoothly, and then I want to go to the left. I'm looking over my shoulder, making sure I'm good. Then I accelerate smoothly. Because this truck is here, this will kind of limit a little bit of acceleration opportunities, but I'm looking, and this is a really high ramp. This is over 100 feet high. So you can kind of see me looking down on the ramp just to really show you what you should be looking for. And I'm trying not to tailgate them. So my blinker's on. I want to get into the nearest lane. I look over my shoulder, and that's a pretty good merge. I'm I'm settled down. Takes a couple minutes to settle down, but I want to make a lane change to the left. Mirror, turn signal, blind spot, I've checked. And I'm gonna maintain speed. They just kind of popped over. So you're kind of learning, they're saucy Joes. So this truck, I'm in their blind spot. So I'm gonna go ahead and accelerate so I'm